Our poem to get us warmed up. We only have a few days left of our poem for February, so let's get started.
February, in February it will be my snowman's anniversary, with cake for him and soup for me. Happy once, happy twice, happy chicken soup with rice.
Alrighty, with our hands now, here we go. Taylor, point to each word.
February, in February it will be my snowman's anniversary, with cake for him and soup for me. Happy once, happy twice, happy chicken soup with rice.
Thank you, Taylor. Have a seat. Alright, do you guys remember the story, the ha-ha party? Remember we started thinking about it yesterday?
Yes, it is about a ha-ha.
A lot of you guys said that this cover reminded you of birthday parties and eating cake and ice cream and having funny times, laughing. Okay, so we're going to get started reading the words today. We're going to get started reading the words today. Okay, everybody just try and join in as you can. Here we go. The clowns had a ha-ha party to see who was the prize was a giant clown cake. What could that word be? Let's reread. The clowns had a ha-ha party to see who was the... What might make sense there?
Bunny.
Share some ideas with your partner. Whisper to them. Come on, back. So it could be funniest, maybe happiest, maybe silliest. Let's take a peek at the front of the word. Let's get a running start. Here we go. The clowns had a ha-ha party to see who was the... What would funniest look like at the end of the word? You know what? There's a lot of voices. What would funniest look like at the end of the word? Share with your partner. Let's take a look. You think you're right?
Yeah! Yeah!
All right. Here we go. Let's get ready to read. The clowns had a ha-ha party to see who was the funniest. The prize was a giant clown cake. That will be my cake, said the pink clown. No, my cake, said the yellow clown. Mine, the blue clown said.
That's one of the blue. Something feels like Honey Nut Cheerios. I wonder who's going to get it.
Okay, here we go. The pink clown said to the judges, "Do you want to see something funny? Then watch this." He pulled a cat out of his hat. The judges and nodded. What did they do? Let's reread. The judges and nodded. See if you can check the picture to give you any clues. Thumb on your knee when you have an idea. Whisper to your partner. What could be that word? Come on back. I heard gasped, maybe cheered, maybe clapped. Let's take a look at the front of that word. Here we go.
Yes.
I wasn't expecting that, were you? Let's reread. The judges and nodded. You think smiled?
Yes.
What kind of eye sound would be in the middle of smiled? Can you show me with your hands, like long eye or maybe short eye? Smiled. I'm seeing a lot of. Let's see.
Smiled. Yay.
There we are. Are we right?
Yes.
Yes.
Smiled and nodded.
Let's go on. Here we go. I am funnier, said the yellow clown. Watch me. She walked on her hands and a ball with her feet. She walked on her hands and a ball with her feet. Try to share with your partner. What are some ideas? Come on, back. I heard maybe slapped, tossed, threw, juggled. Let's take a peek. Kicked. Let's get a running start. She walked on her hands and juggled a ball with her feet. What do you think? Were we right?
Yes.
Does it look right?
Yes.
Does it sound like a book would go?
Yes.
Makes sense?
Yes.
All right, let's move on. The judges nodded, and the cat went to sleep on the pink clown's head. Okay, here we go. I'm the funniest, said the blue clown. Listen to my joke. What do mice eat when they go to a party? We don't know, said the other clown. What do mice eat when they go to a party?
I think it's cheesecake. It's really upside down. It might be cheesecake.
Here we go. Mice party? Suddenly, the cat was awake. The cat was on the table before the blue clown could say, "Mice cream! Mice party? Where?" The cat ran up and down, looking under the dishes. The judges began to... What could it be? Share some ideas with your partner. Come on back. You know what I'm hearing? Some of you are saying, no, it's cheered. No, it's laugh. There are some arguments about what that word could be, right? Would both of those words make sense?
Yes.
They would, wouldn't they? We're going to have to look at the beginning of those words. Because would cheered and laugh end the same way?
Yes.
Let's sing. Oh, let's take a peek. Oh, it didn't end with a d, did it? It's just laugh, right? Let's make sure we read that the right way. Ghost letters, you're right. Here we go. The judges began to laugh.
That was not. We were like. What?
Here we go. The three clowns tried to catch the cat. They fell over the table to the floor. What happened? The table. Share with your partner. Fell. Come on back. Fell, flew. So those two words would start with
Stumbled.
what sound? Let's see.
Probably. Oh, look at
Uh-oh.
that. Crash.
Let's see. Let's reread. The table Maybe a D? Let's see. I heard Landon, I think, saying maybe we would see an SH. Let's see.
And a T. No T.
What do you think? Does it look like it could be crash?
Yes.
Does it sound right?
Yes.
Does it make sense?
Yes.
Okay, can I just check and make sure everyone's sitting crisscross? Thank you. Let's reread. The table crashed to the floor. The judges laughed and cried. That's very funny, they cried. That gets the prize.
Wait, Miss Manoni, you didn't really like the exclamation marks.
Huh? Here?
Yeah, you didn't say
Oh, let's reread.
That's very funny,
they cried. That
gets
gets
the
the
prize. Yeah, it says to clown. What type of clown?
Here we go. Then the judges said, read with me. On your own, you weren't very funny. But together, you were. You should always work together. Share with your partner, what could that word be? Come on back. Funny, fabulous, hilarious. Let's sing. Would those all make sense?
Yeah.
All right, let's reread. Show me your best reading voices. Here we go. But together, you were hilarious. You should always work together.
We will, said the clowns.
And we'll start with this cake. Here they are.
They're eating the cake together as a team.
Do you think that's what the judges meant?
No.
And here's a silent page. So now, before we move on, can you retell with your partner what's happened in this story on your fingers? Go ahead, turn and retell on your fingers. Did you retell on your fingers? Then it's your turn. You've got to start from the beginning. Come on, back. So let's start from the beginning. What happened in this story? First, what happened? First,
they were being funny by themselves.
they were being funny by themselves. What order did the clowns go in? What colors went in order? Riley,
Wait,
you remember?
pink.
Let's see if we need to go back and double check.
Wait, yellow, pink, yellow, blue, pink, yellow, blue, pink,
Okay.
yellow, blue.
So,
Yellow, pink, yellow, blue, pink, yellow, yellow, pink, yellow.
okay, here we go.
Yellow, blue,
Pink,
yellow, blue.
But what did they realize?
They're
What did they realize?
together they make everybody laugh.
We realized that the clowns were really funny when they worked all
Together.
together.
Look at them there. They're just feeding themselves. In the face.
You can tell that they were funny all together, right? All right.